Hey
Hey
guys,
guys!
welcome back to our channel, Easy Drawing Club. Please like and subscribe. We are going to learn how to draw minion today. If you subscribe to our channel, you will not miss any of our videos, which are step-by-step drawing tutorials. So we shall get started. First, we're gonna draw a rainbow line just like that. Good. Straight line down. Same on the other side. Now we shall start drawing his eyes. So that'll be 2 circles at the top of his head. Leave space in here. Second one. Now we're gonna draw his sunglasses or glasses. So around his eyes, but finish here. Don't finish it off. Same on the other side. Circles inside his eyes. And another circle, small one, and color it in black. Same on the other side. And straps for his glasses. Straight lines across. Same on the other side. Now we need to draw his mouth. So he's smiling, so just like that. Now we'll be carrying on to the bottom of his body, the second half. So extend the lines. And we need to draw his pants. So the pants will be, leave space on the other side, on the both sides, sorry. So start here, straight line across and finish there. Now we need to draw his straps on his pants. So line in angle and the other line like that. So that's his straps. Same on the other side. Now connect the end of the straps. Draw a small circle and color it in black on the end of it. That's the buttons. Now start here from the button and make a slightly curved line just like that. Straight, straight and curve. Same on the other side. Straight, straight and curve. Make sure it's in same level. Like that. Now we'll extend these 2 lines again. So extend them and round them where the bottom of these 2 lines are. So start rounding. Same on the other side. Now These 2 points are to be connected with a curved line. Just like that. Now we need to draw his legs. Start. So this is the middle. Leave space and start from here. Line down. Line down. Connect it with a slightly curved line. And now we're gonna draw his shoe. So that's a line down and round and straight up. Now we'll copy this on the other side. So space, start here, line down, connect with a curve, straight line down, and his shoe, straight back up. Now we need to draw his arms. His arms will be coming from the straps down. So start here and make a line, curved line to this point. Now make a small line here. Straight line across and line down, 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3, and back up. Good. Same copy on the other side. So curved line down, make sure it's the same level. Curved line down, small line here. Now connect these 2 points for his sleeve and down, 1, 2, 3, and back up. Slightly smaller than that, but it's absolutely fine. Now we need to make slightly curved lines just here like that to finish his pants. Make sure everything is finished as it should. He also has a nice hair, so the hair comes from they all come from middle to the sides. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Good. He's also got a pocket on it on the front, so that'll be curved line in the middle across, line down slightly in angle, same on the other side, and slightly curved down on the bottom, curved line on the bottom. Now for his creases we can draw nice. Now we are ready to color in. We'll finish off his strap just like that, like that. We can color it in black, gray, whatever you want, brown. So guys, this is the minion whose name is Dave. His body is yellow, his pants are blue, glasses grey, shoes and gloves black. High five, very good, very good. So thanks for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below what you think. Thank you very much. Bye.
Bye.